Millionaires are made every single day, and you too could become one, okay, if you could follow the route in which some people or major successful people are currently using to make money online, okay. One of the income stream a lot of people get to depend on, or it's also part of their income stream or something that is their full-time business, is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is a great way to basically make money off commissions, okay. You basically sell products and services to earn a commission just doing that, all right. And YouTube, okay, is a great place to get started with, because YouTube has a ton of traffic and you can leverage on that traffic to help you make even more money, okay. YouTube is a major platform that I get to focus my attention on these days, okay, because I could see the potential in it, and some of the niche channels, okay, I've been building in the past, okay, they've tanked and we're getting results. And I also want to share some value with you as to what I'm currently doing to see results, as well as other people on YouTube, okay, or other entrepreneurs online are currently doing to make big money online, and you too can also do it in the affiliate marketing niche, okay. So if you're a beginner, you're trying to get started and you want to build a 7-figure business online easily, okay, you can do it following this particular method I'm going to be sharing with you in this particular video. So if you like this video, okay, give this video a like and drop your comments in the comment section of this video. I'd like to know what you think about this. That way, let's get right into it. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing how you can get started, okay, where to find products to promote on the internet, okay, how to run your entire affiliate marketing business on YouTube, and more of like getting results and scaling, okay. So we're covering all of that in this particular video. So I want you to stay to the end of this video, okay, because I have a bonus for you at the end, which will help you 10x your revenue for your YouTube affiliate business. So I want you to stay tuned, because that is very, very and super valuable to help you earn more money and grow your business on the internet and become one of the millionaires, okay, that is rising every single day online, okay, which online businesses or running a form of online business is helping people do. So you too can also increase your chances in terms of becoming a millionaire as well, okay, just running online businesses. So to get started first, because you want to build an affiliate marketing business, you know that the products and services you're going to be promoting is not going to be yours, and as such, you want it to be in a way whereby the business can be passive on the long run, okay, because you need to be thinking long term in this particular category, okay, or in this particular space. All right, because if you're trying to build a business online, all right, and you are tied to it so much, anytime you're not available, there's literally no way the business can run. More of like running a personal brand YouTube channel right now, okay. If I am not available with my face, okay, people might not really resonate with my content, or more of like get to engage much with my channel, okay. So what you want to get started with first is to build a faceless educational channel, okay. When you're doing affiliate marketing, it is more easier when you are able to educate people. When you can educate people and get to refer them to product, it is easy for them to buy the product, because as such they have some insight about that product and it's now easy for them to buy it. So what you want to be doing is make sure that you create or get started in terms of creating an educational faceless YouTube channel. That way, even when you're not available, somebody else can help you run the business, so it can be passive for you as well. So the first thing you want to do when you're trying to start your own faceless YouTube channel, okay, for affiliate marketing, is you want to do your research. You want to do in-depth research in the niche you're going to be picking and all of that. I know you've been seeing a lot of videos on YouTube about picking a niche, and you can watch some of them, okay, and follow some of the steps in which you can help you in terms of picking your niche, okay. Picking a niche is not that difficult. Just pick one in the health, wealth, and relationship, because those are evergreen niches, and I highly recommend them because I'm also in those categories, and I recommend you also pick a sub niche, okay, a sub niche inside that category. Don't go broad. Make sure you pick a sub niche, because in the health category there's a whole lot, in the relationship category there's a whole lot, as well as the wealth, okay. Those are broad industries, so you want to go sub, okay, and pick a particular specific niche that solve a particular problem. That way you can recommend particular product, okay, to solve certain problems. So once you pick your niche, okay, you want to find affiliate product you can actually promote. So in terms of finding affiliate product to promote, okay, you can come over to website like jvzoo.com, okay, to find product. You can sign up as an affiliate for free. It's free to sign up literally. Or you can come to clickbank.com. Clickbank is also free to sign up on, okay. You can create an account, or Digistore24. You can come to any of these platforms or look for any other affiliate platforms out there that you can literally join, okay, to more of like get started, pick an affiliate product, okay, and build your funnels, or more of like a capture page where you can collect leads of people by giving them freebies and all of that on system.io. I highly recommend system.io for you to build your funnel with. Since you're just getting started and you're building a business, okay, you need a form of soft landing so you don't spend too much every single month in terms of subscriptions and all those stuff, okay. There'll be a link in the description of this video for system.io if you'd like to sign up with it, okay. It's actually free. You can get started with an account for free, and you have access to 2,000 contacts, okay, more of like email contacts for life, okay. If you want to go higher than that, then you need to upgrade for the higher plan, okay. When you pay for system.io, I get a commission. That way you show your support for this channel. So once you create your lead capture page on system.io, you will go and look for PLR document, or more of like ebooks you could give away for free in your niche, okay. There are so many PLR websites out there, okay. If you just run a Google search on PLR website. Okay, you could see a bunch of them. You could sign up for some of them. Some of them are free, some are paid. Okay, you can go through the free ones, download some ebooks right there. Okay, more of like you can spin it a little bit, all right, put your own branding on it, more of like edit it a little bit or add a little bit of content to make it super valuable, okay, and more specific to your niche. That way you could give it away for free, and when people give you their email in exchange for you to give them the PLR or the free ebook, okay, you can be building your email list just doing that. So you can be giving people bribe, more of like a bait, okay. All right, when they give you their emails, you submit it to them via their emails because it's an automated process which you can do with system.io. Okay, you can do that on any automation software out there basically, or email marketing software can do this. Okay, so if you don't go with system.io, you can use any other email automation software to do this particular method, and it literally works. So what you'll be doing is more of like giving people away stuff for free. Okay, so in your content, all right, you need to be telling people to click the link in the description of your YouTube videos. Okay, that way they could visit your lead capture page. From there, they get to download your free ebook, then you can sell them on affiliate product. Okay, that way you'll be making money on YouTube. So a key thing you need to pay attention to is when people give you their email address, okay, you want to submit the ebook, okay, directly to their inbox, then show them a pre-sale page that literally sell them on an affiliate product, then redirect them using a button on your landing page, more of like on your thank you page, redirect them to an affiliate offer so they can buy it. Okay, the affiliate offer could be on ClickBank, JVZoo, or any affiliate program or affiliate network out there that you want to promote, literally to help you make money online. On the card above right here, there's a step-by-step affiliate marketing course, okay, that I literally do on YouTube to give you value and to help you get started with affiliate marketing and help you make money with affiliate marketing the right way. So after doing all of that, the next thing you want to pay attention to is creating your content, and you need to be consistent with your content creation. Content creation is very, very important. That way you could be building your niche-based educational YouTube channel, okay, that educates people and recommend products to them to help solve a particular problem. Consistency is very, very important, and you need to be following the rules and regulation of the YouTube platform. That way you don't get banned, okay, and you can get accepted into the YouTube Partners program as well, which is another way to monetize your YouTube channel apart from affiliate marketing, because I strongly believe that you can have 100 subscribers on YouTube and still make money with affiliate marketing. Okay, you can have no subscriber at all on YouTube and still make money with affiliate marketing, as long as people watch your content and all of that, and you make more of like searchable content. People come to YouTube, they search for a particular topic, and you've done educational content on it and refer people to your affiliate link, okay, they can buy from there and you're monetizing even without the YouTube Partners program. So a lot of small creators can also make money using affiliate marketing on YouTube. So for your bonus, okay, there's a link in the description of this video, okay, just check it out. It's a script format to help you set up your YouTube channel or create content or script writing for your YouTube channel, and even tell better stories, okay, to help you get more conversions for your affiliate product. So I want you to watch this video right here on screen, which is a step-by-step course, okay, to get you started with affiliate marketing and also growing a brand online, or more of like growing a business. So until next time, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Stay strong. Bye for now.